Customizable themes allow you to match the look and feel of your brand for client-facing pages. To customize your themes, go to Settings, then Themes. Click the plus sign to add a new theme and enter the name of your theme. We will use the default theme here to show you the features. You can set your theme as the default, where it will be used for all job types, or you can assign it to specific job types under Assign Job Types. Select the section you want to customize from the drop-down. For each section, you can choose to show your logo, use a background image, pick a background color, using a color picker, hex color code, RGB values, or hue, saturation, lightness values. Select a text color, choose an accent color, pick a box background color, and select a button text and background color. Choose the next section you want to edit from the drop-down menu and repeat the selection process. With customizable themes, your client-facing pages will align with your brand. If you have any questions, chat with support, and they will be happy to help.